Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Majestic Princess. Now this particular category is a deluxe balcony. I'll show you that in just a second, but make sure when you book your next Princess cruise, you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get the Harr Travel signature service. Now let me show you what this room is all about. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, it is important to note that this is a medallion class ship. Now, one of the features of Princess's medallion net is the interaction as you head to the room. Now, your medallion chip is actually going to interact with your door lock. So as you approach, it's going to authenticate that it's you with that, and it's going to open your door for you. Now, keep in mind, this is also where you can communicate, service the stateroom, or provide privacy like a do not disturb. But you don't have to take this off. If you're wearing it on your wrist, around your neck, or in your pocket, as you approach, it's going to turn green, and then you head right on in. So as soon as you walk in the door, you're going to have a full-length mirror here, and then you're going to have your closet. Now, Princess does a ton of long cruises, and it's really nice to have this amount of storage, I guess for any length of cruise, but if you do one of those longer ones, this is perfect for that. So you've got more storage up above here, down on the floor, and then over here, you're going to find you've got shelves for storage, you've got your safe, perfect for a passport and personal belongings. Now let's head into the bathroom. So right here, you're gonna have a single vanity. You've got storage up and down, a little bit of storage underneath as well. You got the toilet tucked just here, and then you're gonna have the shower. Now, I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'6". I do just fit in here. These are bigger than some of the older ships that they have. They do have a shower curtain, not my all-time favorite, but I do think that it's plenty of space. And you've got your adjustable shower wand right here. So now we're headed in the main part of the room. You've got your bed just here. It is put together right now. They can also separate it apart into two twins. It's your preference. They have that Princess luxury bed. It is upgraded and it's one of the best in the industry. Now on either side, you're gonna have nightstands. So you've got the drawers that'll pull out. I love that you can tuck things away. You've also got a little cubby underneath there. And then on one side, you're gonna have two USB plugs. I always bring an extra battery backup so that I can charge it during the day and then use it to charge my devices in the evening. Now directly across from the bed, you're gonna have the TV. It's interactive, just like everything on this ship with Medallion class. You can watch TV, of course. You also can, of course, check out what's going on throughout the ship. Now let's head into the sitting room area. So you do have a couch, and one of the features of this particular room is that this couch does fold out into a bed. So if you have more than two passengers, this is where that's gonna be. Just across, you're gonna have a table and chair here. So it's a writing desk, really. You're gonna have two Euro plugs. You also have two US plugs there for a charging station. It also doubles as your vanity. You can sit here, you've got the mirror just in front and lights on either side. And then you're gonna have your mini fridge just underneath and a little bit more storage. So now we're out on your private veranda space. You've got two chairs and a table right here. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening, and take advantage of the incredible ocean views, that fresh air, and what cruising is all about. Now, when you're ready to book this particular room or suite or any with Princess, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You take advantage of those interactive deck plans where you can select the exact perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get the Harr Travel signature service.